Hello. Finally got the Leatherman P2. Came with a little sticker from Leatherman and a $15 gift card just for ordering it from Leatherman. That's cool. But the Leatherman P2, it is super sweet. Comes with this fancy little sheath. Cool stuff. And the P2. I am digging this thing. How smooth that is. Doesn't shake loose, you just give it a little squeeze. Got a super awesome sound. USA Leatherman pocket clip. Super easy. Little knife there. What else do we got here? Pop it up, pick what you want. Say you want the Phillips screwdriver. There it is, and it is a thick, beefy screwdriver too. I'm digging it. I suppose you get the bottle opener there too. On this side, an array of different things on here. Get them all spread out there. Pretty awesome. I'm liking it a lot. One thing I was thinking it would be a little bit smaller, comparing it to like my Leatherman Wave. It's about the same. Handles are pretty much exactly the same, but the pliers is a little longer. I just have the original Wave, so I don't have the replaceable jaws, so I'm pretty excited about that. But comparing it to like the Surge, it is smaller. See if I can get it in the photo here. I swear it's smaller. Really struggling. There. It's side by side. You can see standing them up, it's quite a bit smaller, but still pretty amazing. I was hoping maybe the P2 would be replacing the Wave and the P4 was kind of like the replacement for the Surge. Not replacing, I shouldn't say, because they're still making them, but I thought it would be kind of comparable. But it's kind of like it's in between both of them. So either way, it is super fun to play with. Anyway, that's it. I have been waiting for it, and it finally arrived, and I'm super excited. Everything's so easy. Oh, I forgot to show the scissors. It's about the same size scissors as like the Surge. Maybe. Maybe not. Surge is a little bit longer, but not a whole lot different. But when you compare that scissors to the Wave, it is quite a bit different. Look at the little tiny little Wave scissors. But all in all, pretty nice. I like that sound as it's clicking open. You can see as it does click open, there's these little tabs right there that kind of click into place. See if I can get it there. So it's locked in nice, but it is definitely a game changer in my mind. Pretty cool.